I'm Miss Montgomery, and I'm going to be your AIG teacher this year. I want to show you our room and tell you a little bit about the environment in which we will be meeting this year. Put my mask on, since we're going to be moving around. So this is the entrance to our room. It is 209A. Inside, we know what your superpower is in AIG. Knowledge is your superpower. This is our little space that we have, and you will eventually have little folders that you can get and use. We also will be doing Math Quest this year. Some of you will remember what that is. That is super fun. And a lot of logic games. So this will be our space as soon as it's safe for us to meet here. Right now, I'm going to be meeting with you in this environment. You'll see my face on a screen, so we'll meet virtually. And I cannot wait to meet you. I am so excited about that. So I cannot wait to meet all of my porcupines. And until I get to see you virtually, here's a virtual hug. And I will see you guys soon.